A very good day to all of you. I am Pooja Maudgil bringing you the latest update from RS Model Senior Secondary School. Let's have a quick look at the top headlines from the month of March.
Sacred Havan ceremony held to bless the board classes students before final exams. Pre-primary educators soar higher as they paid an eye-opening visit to SVM Malerkotla. Bioenzymes from Kinnu peels used for treating Buddha Nala during a cleanliness drive held by our group of schools on World Water Day. In a grateful goodbye, the school honors retiring teachers and a member of supporting staff. RS Model Senior Secondary School shines brightly with 100% result along with 14 perfect scorers in 5th grade board exams. And now news in detail. In a spiritually uplifting event, a sacred Havan ceremony was organized to invoke divine blessings for the board class students ahead of their final exams. The serene atmosphere was filled with positive vibrations, calming chants, and heartfelt prayers. The occasion was graced by the presence of all subject teachers and the respected principal sir who came together to shower their blessings on the students. In his address, the principal extended his good wishes, offering words of encouragement and practical tips to help students manage exam stress. In yet another stride towards excellence in education, the pre-primary department teachers embarked on a meaningful exposure visit to SVM Malerkotla. The enriching experience offered them valuable insight into innovative teaching practices and school management strategies. The teachers were deeply inspired by the dedication of the host school's management, principal, and faculty. Their warm hospitality and excellence in nurturing young minds left a lasting impression. On March 22nd, our group of institutes celebrated World Water Day with a powerful message: clean water is everyone's right and responsibility. Under the leadership of Mr. Rakesh Jain, President RA Group of Schools, the group took a big step towards cleaning Buddha Nala using eco-friendly bioenzymes made from Kinnu peels. The cleanliness mission is inspired by the great environmentalist Sant Seechewal ji and supported by experts from ICR, CIFIT and Haryawal Punjab, including Dr. Rakesh Sharda ji and Shri Praveen ji. Our group of schools joined hands with some scientists and environmentalists to support the project. As Kinnu fruits are now part of school meals in Punjab, their peels were turned into powerful chemical-free bioenzymes to clean polluted water. Around 150 liters of these enzymes were prepared by students at a special lab in RS Model Senior Secondary School under the guidance and initiative of Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel ji, who motivated the students to be active participants in environmental change. The campaign was inaugurated by respected dignitaries including Dr. Rakesh Sharda ji, Colonel Jumeet Rai Jagga ji, Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel ji and others. A rally of about 200 students filled the streets with slogans about saving water and keeping river clean. This green mission is a big step towards protecting the environment and sets a shining example for others to follow. RS Model Senior Secondary School bid an emotional farewell to three of its dedicated staff members, Mrs. Amita Saini, primary teacher, Mrs. Manjinder Kaur, TGT Hindi, and Mrs. Geeta Rani, supporting staff member, on the occasion of their retirement. The retirement function held on March 26 was a heartfelt event attended by the entire staff and all esteemed members of the management who specially appeared to honor the contribution of these retiring staff. Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandelji addressed the gathering and appreciated the tireless service, commitment, and sincerity shown by the retiring members. He congratulated them on their successful careers and extended his warm wishes for a joyful and fulfilling journey ahead. The event concluded on an emotional note marked by gratitude, celebration, and best wishes for the next chapter in their lives. On March 29th, the Punjab School Education Board declared the results of the 5th grade examination, and RS Model Senior Secondary School Shastri Nagar emerged as a shining star. All 216 students from the school who appeared for the exam passed with flying colors, making it a moment of great pride and celebration. Even more impressively, 14 students scored a perfect 100% in the exam, a rare and outstanding achievement. The school management committee and principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandelji honored the meritorious students with flower garlands and wished them success in all their future life.
Thanks for watching. See you again very soon with latest updates and news. Till then, stay fit, stay happy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.